Welcome to our YouTube channel Over the Seas. Today we are at Sun Moon Lake. We are standing over here. This is the place from where you can see the panoramic view of Sun Moon Lake. You can see all the beauty and everything from here. This is right in front of Wenhua temple. Something very unique about this temple is that the door is never closed. This temple was rebuilt in 1969, combining two Longfen Temple and Ihua Hall. This temple is devoted to God of War, God of Literature, and the very famous Confucius. This is Chinese palace style architecture. If we closely look at the stone carvings, we can see that these are very unique and they definitely tell you a story. It is said that before the road was built around the lake, only way to get here was to take a boat to the pier nearby. And from there you had to climb a lot of stairs, and these stairs were known as stairs to heaven. Even though the best time to visit this place is listed as December to March, still this place is very foggy during the winters. This is Ita Thao pier and it is very important place, so all the visitors certainly do visit here when they are in Sun Moon Lake. Important events like New Year's fireworks and swimming contests are held over here. The octagonal pavilion that you see over here was rebuilt after a major earthquake. You can also enjoy a boat ride from Shuishe pier to Ita Thao pier and vice versa. If you love mountains and lake view, you must definitely try this. This is Lalu Island, right in the middle of the lake. This place is believed to be home of Thao's ancestral spirits. The pagoda that you see right in the middle of the mountains is Ci'en Pagoda. We have to hike about 700 meters to reach the pagoda. We heard that you can also spot fireflies over here, especially in the month of May. It was pouring and we had to do the trek wearing a raincoat. Oh no, what's this? The whole place is just covered in fog and we cannot even see the pagoda properly. After a short hike of about 600 meters, we reached the Ci'en Pagoda. We thought it to be more beautiful, but when we came here, we saw that it was covered in fog. But right now, the fog is disappearing a bit and we can enjoy the beautiful view. We can also go over the stairs and go to the uppermost floor. This pagoda is octagonal in shape and has 9 floors. We are standing on the top of Ci'en Pagoda right now. This Ci'en Pagoda was actually constructed by Chiang Kai-shek. It was built by Chiang Kai-shek in 1971 in the memory of his mother. It is 46 meters tall and this is constructed in such a way that from any corner of Sun Moon Lake you will be able to spot this one. Even though getting here is really difficult, but at least you can spot it, at least visually. I think winters might not be the best time to go to this pagoda. This is where you can buy the tickets. Came to Sun Moon Lake Ropeway. We have been waiting since morning for the rain to subside, but it doesn't have an end. So we finally came here and these are the tickets. So these cost us 330 NTD per person. There are two types of ropeway cabins. One is clear one and one is normal. Pet boxes are also being provided over here if you bring your pet along. As soon as we got in, there is a little bit of shaking. I hope this is temporary. We finally understood what the clear gondola meant because the floor is also clear. The view from here, just wow. This is one of the places that cannot be seen in any other way apart from taking the ropeway. This is Formosa Aboriginal Cultural Village Station, so we are getting down over here because you have to queue up again to go back to Sun Moon Lake Station. This is Formosan Aboriginal Cultural Village. To explore this, you would need at least 4 to 5 hours, but the sun is about to set, so we are going back to Sun Moon Lake Station. I think the best thing that we could do today was to take this ropeway. We can't really get enough of these views. This is where we are staying for the night. We booked this hotel through Pagoda. We'll attach the link in the description box below. These are the capsule pods for both of us. They have given us this pillow and there is also one quilt. This quilt is definitely enough for one person, but the mattress is quite big. I think 2 people can easily squeeze in this one, even though we have one more capsule pod upstairs. So both are ours for the night. Yeah, so we also have some storage space where we can keep our phones, and we can also hang our coats or caps over here. There are 2 of them, and we also have this mirror light which I have turned on to make the recording easy so that you guys can view us. And they also have this USB charger. If you forgot your adapter at home, you can definitely charge your phone over here. And you also have the plug point over here where you can keep the adapter and then charge your phone or whatever electronic devices you are carrying with you. You can also adjust the brightness of this light. Like you can see, this is turning off the light, and when you switch on, and you can reduce the brightness or you can increase it like this. Cool, right? Even in the morning, if you want to get ready or something, you can just switch on this light and you can use the mirror. And also this room doesn't have a washroom. We'll show you later. The common washrooms are there downstairs, so you have to go there. We saw this in Pagoda and this was the first time we saw something like this, and we thought we should try this one out because this is our first time to try something like this. In Taiwan, we have never been to a place where they have these capsule hotels or something. What do you think is the best feature of this pod hotel? Do let us know in the comment section below. This is where they have the common washrooms. They just have 2 shower rooms and 2 washrooms. I think this place will be really crowded in the morning. This is where our Sun Moon Lake trip comes to an end. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Bye bye.